Hi, good evening, everybody. Once again, we are here today uh, to have a conversation on our initiatives. And this is the episode on Campus to Company. And we're going to be meeting a couple of our young students who we are really proud of. And I wouldn't call them students now anymore because they've moved into the world, they have gotten their feet, they are successful, they have made their mark, and they're happy about it. And when it comes to being successful, it's all about one's ability to express oneself fully, feel that one has evolved over a period of time, has been able to connect with people. There is relatedness that they can build. They can see opportunities. They are optimistic about things happening around them. And they are ready to contribute. They are also open to creating a community. They are interested in making a difference. They are somebody who feel that design brings change, and they see themselves as change makers. So here we have our young alumni who are all ready to set to make a difference in the spaces that they are working in. And I'm going to be waiting for them. Yes, Akshay has already joined us. So hi Akshay. And we have Arvind, who is working with Wajid Ali Khan. We've got Ria, who's joined us. So I'm really excited and looking forward to get their request so that I can start the chat with them. Meanwhile, yes, again he sent a request. Arvind, I'm going to try out this time. If it doesn't work,
नमस्ते मैम, कैसे हैं आप?
बस बहुत अच्छे। आप कैसे हैं अरविंद?
वंडरफुल मैम, वंडरफुल। आपसे मतलब मिलने के लिए तो मैं तरस रहा था मैम। कैसे हैं आप?
बहुत अच्छी हूँ and Arvind, but it's so nice to see you, how well you're working with Wajid Ali Khan Sahab.
थैंक यू
And
सो मच मैम, थैंक यू सो मच।
and the work that you've done with him. And tell me something, what you're doing latest, what's going on. I remember you were working on the Guinness Book of World Records with him. So how is that project
यस मैम,
going on?
इट्स गोइंग वंडरफुल मैम, इट्स गोइंग वंडरफुल। लास्ट टाइम जब आपकी और हमारी बात हुई थी मैम, तब से और अभी तक में आपके परमात्मा के सबके आशीर्वाद से मेरे कई प्रमोशंस हुए लाइफ में। और अभी मैं सीएमओ की पोजीशन पे काम कर रहा हूँ भाई की कंपनी में। वाजिद साहब एक बहुत रिनाउड आर्टिस्ट हैं और अभी करंटली हम कतर में, दुबई में और मुंबई में तीनों जगह मिलके एक प्लान कर रहे हैं। फीफा 2022 जो होने वाला है उसके अपन मैम हम कमीशनड एजेंट कह लें या फिर हम कतर में जो ओपनिंग सेरेमनी होने वाली है फीफा की, उसमें जो काइनेटिक आर्ट वर्क लगेगा वो प्लान कर रहे हैं। और लगभग वो कंप्लीट हो चुका है, सारी चीजें कंप्लीट हो चुकी हैं। बस यही चल रहा है मैम उसमें सारा कामकाज। बाकी
So
आपकी जानकारी में तो
आपका
सब है ही।
क्या रोल है अरविंद? So while I understand that you did interiors and
यस मैम।
how many years it's been? कितने साल हो गए आपको?
मैम मोर देन 5 years, मोर देन
Okay.
5 years।
So over these years while you worked with him, what are the kind of projects that आप किस लेवल पर उनके साथ में कर रहे हैं? What is the kind of
मैम
management?
इन द इनिशियल टाइम व्हेन आई लेफ्ट आर्च, तब मैं वाजिद भाई के साथ बहुत जो उनके 600-700 लोगों का स्टाफ है उसमें काम किया करता था। वाजिद साहब के साथ ऐसा है कि वो 100 की टीम बना के काम करते हैं और साइमल्टेनियसली 5 से 6 प्रोजेक्ट साथ में चलते हैं। 3 उनका टारगेट रहता है कि इंडिया के बाहर चले और 3 इंडिया में चले। और कोशिश करते हैं कि हम, जैसे वी बिलोंग टू एमपी, मध्य प्रदेश में कम प्रोजेक्ट चले, मध्य प्रदेश के बाहर ज्यादा प्रोजेक्ट चले। जैसे कि प्लान करते हैं इंडिया में जितने एयरपोर्ट्स हैं मैम, लगभग 50% एयरपोर्ट में वाजिद साहब का आर्ट लगा हुआ है। अभी लास्ट मंथ फोर्ब्स मैगजीन ने उन्हें इस सदी का दा विंची कहा है। और अभी टाइम मैगजीन का शूट चल रहा है। वाजिद साहब अपने अटायर के लिए बड़े फेमस है, तो वोग मैगजीन अप्रोच कर रही है। तो मैम ये जो सारे अप्रोचेस होते हैं, जो जिन लोगों से बात करनी रहती है, उन्हें क्या मटेरियल प्रोवाइड करना रहता है, उस टीम का एक अहम हिस्सा हूं मैं। मतलब वाजिद साहब की क्या मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजीज प्लान होंगी, उस टीम के साथ कैसे बैठ के काम होगा, हम इंडिया के बाहर वाजिद साहब को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करने वाले हैं, अब कैसे दुबई में एक हमारा ऑफिस है, एक यूके में ऑफिस है, अब एक यूएस में ऑफिस है, 3 कंट्री से प्लान करते हैं, तो वो तीनों कंट्री में कैसे चल रहा है, वहां की टीम कैसे काम कर रही है, यहाँ की टीम कैसे काम कर रही है, ये सारा मैनेजमेंट देखने का और एक मार्केटिंग देखने का काम रहता है मैम मेरा।
वेरी नाइस।
मेजरली मैं मैम सर के साथ
तो
ट्रैवल ही करता हूँ।
आपको लगता है कि आपकी इंटीरियर डिजाइन की जो एजुकेशन है उसने आपको कैसे इनेबल किया इस पूरे प्रोजेक्ट को देखने के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से? हाउ डिड इट वर्क फॉर यू?
मैम इट वर्क एक्चुअली मैम। मैं पहले काम किया करता था, मैं बिल्कुल बोलने में शर्माऊंगा नहीं कि एज ए लेबर काम करता था मैं वाजिद साहब के साथ, और बहुत एक नॉमिनल सैलरी पे काम किया करता था। फिर जैसे जैसे अगर मैम में कभी आर्च आया नहीं हुआ था, मतलब ऐसा तो मेरे पापा कहते हैं कि अगर मास्टर्स करनी है तो मास्टर के साथ करो, तो मैंने मास्टर्स करी मास्टर के साथ आर्च एकेडमी आके मैंने मेरी मास्टर्स करी। फिर भगवान के आशीर्वाद से फिर मेरी जॉब भी लगी, तो जॉब भी लगी तो मास्टर्स के साथ लगी। फिर मतलब बहुत ही महान लोगों के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ मैम। मैं अमित सर करके हमारे एक हैं सर, जिन्हें मैं रिपोर्ट करता हूँ। पहले मैं एक दूसरी मैम को रिपोर्ट किया करता था, अब मैं सर को रिपोर्ट करता हूँ सारी चीजें, जो कि वाजिद साहब के बिल्कुल करीबी हैं। तो मैम क्या होता है जब कोई प्रोजेक्ट नया आता है, जैसे अभी हम मध्य प्रदेश में एक चंबल, आपने भिंड मुरैना चंबल डाकुओं का एरिया सुना होगा, वहां पे हम एक प्रोजेक्ट लेके आए हैं जिसमें हम 4,000 बंदूकों से अहिंसा के पुजारी महात्मा गांधी जी की एक स्कल्पचर बनाने वाले हैं। तो वो साइट विजिट से लेके बहुत सारी चीजें रहती हैं। तो जब जैसे कोई इनिशिएट करा, फॉर एग्जांपल आपने कोई प्रोजेक्ट इनिशिएट करा, तो वो जो टॉप 10 लोगों की टीम होती है वो डिस्कस करती है, उस टीम का हिस्सा हूं मैं। अगर मैं आर्च कभी पढ़ा ही नहीं होता तो मैं उस टीम का हिस्सा ही नहीं होता, मुझे वो टेक्निकलिटीज, वो बारीकियां, वो सब चीजें पता ही नहीं होती, तो मैं कभी उसका हिस्सा ही नहीं होता।
वेरी नाइस।
ऑल थैंक्स टू यू, ऑल थैंक्स टू यू एंड ऑल थैंक्स टू यू।
अरे अरे, दैट्स सो काइंड ऑफ यू टू बी सो ग्रेटफुल एंड हम्बल। बट मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि अगर आज आप यंगस्टर्स को, यू नो, देयर सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स हु आर ग्रेजुएटिंग, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू टेल देम एज, you know, now being at a certain position, we are doing international projects. So आप उनके लिए क्या आपका मैसेज है कि अगर वो किस तरह का उन्हें एटीट्यूड या अप्रोच रखने की जरूरत है जिससे वो अपने जो कैंपस टू कंपनी का हमारा जो इनिशिएटिव है वो पूरा हो सके?
100%। मैं आज टारगेट करके आया था कि मैम मैं आज आपसे तो मिलूंगा, आपका आशीर्वाद तो भरपूर लूंगा मैं, लेकिन मैं आज अपने सारे जितने कलीग्स फ्रेंड्स सबसे मिलूंगा। मतलब मैं आया स्पेशली स्टूडेंट्स के लिए हूं आज, कि मैम मैं जब आर्च में था, जब मैं जयपुर पढ़ाई कर रहा था, तो जो एक्सपोजर मिलता था, फॉरेन के स्टूडेंट्स हमारे साथ रह के पढ़े, फॉरेन के टीचर्स हमें पढ़ाया करते थे, इतना मतलब उस समय तो जितने गाबा और जितने भी इवेंट्स हुआ करते थे मैम, बियॉन्ड स्टैंड, मतलब बियॉन्ड था मैम। आपकी सोच को तो मैम आज भी सलाम है मैम, आप जो लेवल पे लेके आए हैं आर्ट्स एकेडमी को, और मुझे पता है वो आने वाले 10 साल बाद कहाँ जाने वाली है, 5 साल बाद कहाँ जाने वाली है, उस विजन को मैं इमेजिन कर सकता हूँ मैम। तो मैं तो हर, जो भी ये देख रहा है वीडियो या ऑडियो सुन रहा है, एक AIEEE करके एग्जाम होता है, उसे दो, क्रैक करो और फटाक से आर्च में आ जाओ।
That's so nice of you. In fact, मैं ये कह रही थी वाजिद साहब की, तो मैं खुद भी बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ एंड द काइंड ऑफ वर्क दैट इज डूइंग, एंड मैं चाहती थी कि सारे स्टूडेंट्स उनके इस कार्यक्रम, आई मीन व्हाट एवर द प्रोजेक्ट इज टेकिंग अप, एंड वो जो ग्रामी अवार्ड के, ग्रामी नहीं सॉरी, अपने गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड
गिनीज
के
गिनीज
लिए
गिनीज।
पूरा एफर्ट करने लग रहे हैं, और हमारे स्टूडेंट्स कैसे जुड़ सकते हैं, बिकॉज काफी इनिशियल स्टेज पे था शुरू में, एंड हमें भी काफी ऑनलाइन की जो एजुकेशन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से काफी चैलेंजेस थे। सो अभी कल हमने
बहुत
2
बहुत
दिन का 100 स्टूडेंट्स प्रेजेंटेड इन 2 days, कल हमने पूरा फेसबुक पे लाइव है, आप देख सकते हैं हाउ द फैकल्टी हैज वर्कड विद देम ऑनलाइन। और ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन इतना डिफिकल्ट है डिजाइन में, फिर भी स्टूडेंट्स ने जो बेहतरीन काम किया है, फैकल्टी ने जो बेहतरीन मेहनत करी है उनके साथ में, वो आप देख सकेंगे। तो आई वाज लाइक, यू नो, वेरी कीन, बिकॉज नाउ एट स्टेज 2 वी आई वांट देम टू बी इन्वॉल्वड अगेन विद Wajid Saab. So I'll be happy to know that what is the right stage where we can again get the students to get with him, because I remember he was saying that he would like to do workshops, have young people come up with ideas and things. So is the plan still on?
100% मैन, 100% इट्स स्टिल ऑन। और मैं मेरे सारे जितने कलीग्स, फ्रेंड्स, स्टूडेंट जितने सुन रहे हैं सबको बताना चाहूंगा मैम, वो पूरा प्रोजेक्ट क्या है और वो कैसे करने वाले हैं। हम एक दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा एब्स्ट्रैक्ट स्कल्पचर बनाने वाले हैं, जो कि कतर में होगा। और कतर में होगा जब दोपहर के 12 बजेंगे तो एक अलग विजन आएगा, और दोपहर के 3 बजेंगे या 2 ढाई बजेंगे तो एक अलग विजन के साथ नीचे एक एब्स्ट्रैक्ट स्कल्पचर बनेगा। और वो 6,000 बच्चों के साथ हम प्लान कर रहे हैं, 6,000 आर्टिस्ट रहेंगे उसमें, और कोई हम किसी से कुछ चार्ज नहीं ले रहे हैं उसमें। जो टॉप 100 आर्टिस्ट सेलेक्ट होंगे, अभी एक हफ्ते पहले ही हमने फाइनलाइज किया है कि उन्हें हम 55,000 मिनिमम सैलरी पे रखेंगे, टॉप 100 स्टूडेंट्स को, और बाकी सबके साथ रहना खाना जितनी चीजें होती हैं हमारी तरफ से फ्री रहेंगी। और ये तो मेरे लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी रहेगी। आज अब एक अलग स्टेज पे आ गया हूँ कि हाँ ठीक है, मैं अब एक अलग फाइल रख सकता हूँ टेबल पे कि हमें ये आज के बच्चे तो लेना ही लेना है। और आज के सारे बच्चे टैलेंटेड है मैम, एक सामने बैठा है।
Lovely. Thank you, Arvind,
थैंक यू
for
सर।
letting us know, and we'll try and initiate, क्योंकि ये सेमेस्टर थोड़ा सा ठीक से हो जाए तो अब स्टूडेंट्स थोड़ा इंडिपेंडेंट हो गए हैं, तो अब उनको थोड़ा सा अगर हम किसी और प्रोजेक्ट के साथ जोड़ते हैं तो, नहीं तो क्या है, बिकॉज बिल्कुल कैंपस से लेकर के ऑनलाइन घर के माहौल से पढ़ना इट्स क्वाइट चैलेंजिंग, एंड एक बार थोड़ा सा डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करने की जरूरत थी, तो वो डिसिप्लिन, एकेडमिक डिसिप्लिन अब आ गया है स्टूडेंट्स में, तो आप कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं ना, तो उसमें वो इंडिपेंडेंटली अपने अपने आप को रिस्पॉन्सिबल फील करके दोनों तरफ अपनी पढ़ाई और उस प्रोजेक्ट को बैलेंस कर पाएंगे। सो बस यही था।
100%।
एंड वाजिद साहब को मेरा नमस्कार कहिएगा, एंड आई एम श्योर द
जी
दावेल
पक्का।
ऑफ इंडिया हैज अ लॉट टू कंट्रीब्यूट टू दीज यंग पीपल, एंड आई एम
100%।
रियली, एंड वाजिद साहब का जो इंटरेस्ट है आर्ट्स में, वो मुझे बहुत प्रोत्साहित करता है कि इन स्टूडेंट्स को एक नई दिशा देखने को मिलेगी उनके साथ। So we'll look forward to connect with you again, Arvind. And all
Thank
the
you
very
so much,
best.
ma'am.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Same to you, ma'am. Same to you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Pleasure. As we had a conversation with Arvind, Arvind has been very supportive in terms of the way he is generous, he's humble. He knows what gratitude means in life, and he has, with gratitude, he's built a great, all the great opportunities for himself. So it's very important to have gratitude, especially for your alma mater, because that's where you studied, that's where you've grown. They gave you the best teachers, they made it possible for you. So I mean, at least when I studied at St. Thomas, and till today I remember who they helped me become today, and all my teachers. I remember how poor, I'll say how bad I was at Hindi. And today I can speak Hindi so well. It's all because of my teachers. And I remember when I moved from Bengal to New Delhi when I was a young girl, maybe in 1980, and I could hardly speak Hindi. It was just English that I knew, or I knew the Bengali kind of Hindi. Hum jayega kya, tum khayega. And the Delhi people actually used to, they used to say, "Khud ko to hum bolti hai, hame tum bolti hai." It was quite different to be in a city like Delhi, where how Hindi was spoken and how one had to really understand the way the local people in Delhi actually interacted. So I'm glad that Akshay is here with us. So Akshay,
Hi,
how
ma'am.
are you?
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. So how are things with you, Akshay?
All well, all well. So, ma'am, how's things going, and how is Arch doing?
In fact, you can actually see us. We are in the public space. We are
Yes. That is why I'm asking. Like, in this time, बहुत चैलेंजिंग होता है लोगों से और कनेक्ट करना इतने टफ टाइम में, बट यू आर कनेक्टिंग, बात कर रहे हैं लोगों से, स्टूडेंट्स को कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो दैट इज अ बिग चैलेंज.
No, in fact, I feel that things have become much easier, and now you don't have to bring people to the campus all the time. You have already people whom you can, even if they're busy, they can spend 15 minutes online to come anytime. So I feel things have become much easier, and
This is easier, yeah.
look at the Facebook 2 days of events, the open days that we did. 100 students presented in 2 days, and we had almost like 30 faculty members who've been teaching to our students. They were all on screen for the last 2 days. So if you really want to see what the students in fashion have done, you please go on to Facebook. You're going to see all their projects, what they've done. So it's quite an interesting time, I believe, and I truly felt that this kind of a organized way of doing things was very difficult in the past. It's been much easier. So I want to hear
Much
from
easier,
you.
yeah.
मैं आपसे सुनना चाहती हूँ कि how is your company doing with Jack and Jones? What is your career growth? in your company? What is the future that they are trying to build? I'd like to hear that.
Yeah, ma'am. First of all, I should say like you have taken a good initiative. In fact, a big initiative to like connect people around you, or like you were telling, it is much like easier to get into. तो हाँ easier है, but like लोगों को connect करना एक बहुत बड़ा काम है जो आप अभी कर रहे हैं. So that is why I told like it is most like tough job what you are doing. And apart this, like company Jack and Jones doing well. We are back to the business, and we have started opening new EBOs in this after this COVID time. Sell is pretty well. It goes minus 60 to 78% in plus. So market is really like booming, और support बहुत मिल रहा है. We have started this thing also, kids. So very soon you will see Jack and Jones Junior. This is a special line.
So are you a
So
part
you
of the
may have.
design team? Akshay, are you
I am responsible for denim innovation across India.
Oh, lovely. So tell me about
So
some
I
new innovations that you've done, Akshay.
like मैम आई शुड से कि अब जो टाइम है वी हैव टू डू डिजाइनिंग एज पर द मार्केट, लाइक व्हाट कॉस्टिंग इज अ मेन पार्ट नाउ, इट हैज बिकम ए मेन पार्ट. सो कंपटीशन इज मोर. तो उस हिसाब से हम लोग जो ब्रांड्स हैं जो हमारे कंपटीटर्स हैं उनके अकॉर्डिंग प्राइस सेट करना, या फिर उनके क्या प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, या वो इस प्राइस में क्या ऑफर कर रहे हैं, या फिर न्यू चैलेंजेस क्या हैं, वो सब चीजें. तो दैट इज ए सेल्स पार्ट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस वी हैव डूइंग अनमैच प्रोग्राम. We are launching our two of the sub brands, like one is Unmatch and one is Product. That is PRODUKT, Product by Jack and Jones and Unmatch by Jack and Jones. So in Unmatch you will find clothings or like clothing, or you can say like coordination, जो कि like what Basha wears, like he is like quite like a Balenciaga kind of person, no? तो जो एक नॉर्मल मार्केट है, या फिर इफ यू गेट ए जीन्स इन लाइक 7,000 8,000 और शर्ट फॉर लाइक 5,000 4,000, सो इट्स क्वाइट चैलेंजिंग कि इस प्राइस के अंदर आपको बहुत हाई फैशन कैसे मिलेगा. Otherwise you will find like normal jeans and something like what you can get in Levi's store or somewhere. So we are doing very high fashion street in Unmatched line that will like gives you a outstanding look in a streetwear.
Okay.
So like a punk fashion, like so much of rip repair, so much of tags, so much of like signature detailing and plastic uses, and like many more. Like if you have seen Korea band like BTS, what they wear in their special concert, like that we are launching. In that we have a shoot day after with Basha. We have appointed brand ambassador Basha for that. So like tomorrow I am traveling to Bangalore for that. So we have a shoot on with Basha on Monday in Bangalore.
So where are you?
And
Where are you, Chair?
I'm in Mumbai.
You are based
I'm
in
in
Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Okay.
Yeah, based on
So,
Mumbai, because
tell-
I report to Jack and Jones headquarters in Mumbai.
Okay. Tell me, what are your challenges within the company as a professional?
As a professional, I would say when they hired me, so they hired me because of denim. Like I have a special, like I have done many specialization and many programs with denim. Since you given me opportunity with Arvind Denim Lab, Ahmedabad, and like during that time only I got sponsorship also in my graduation collection in Ahmedabad.
Yes.
Under Kunal Datta. So that time like it was a good exposure for me within Arch. After then like I have done projects with Arvind, then Raymond Yuko 4.5 years, and now Jack and Jones. So like मेरा complete profile denim का ही है, तो they hired me for denim only. Then I have a responsibility for India fashion. Okay. Because our company is based from Denmark. That is bestseller. So we have Jack and Jones, Veromoda, Only, Selected, and many more brands. Like we have 26 international brands within bestseller. So only 6 brands they have launched in India. For then in Jack and Jones, I have appointed for denim category for jackets and bottoms. So I look after all these things.
So
So
just tell me now, if a student has to look at employment with your company, what is that
yeah.
you expect? And what is that a student, a young fresher needs to keep in mind who's just graduated or are in their final year this year? So tell me a couple of tips that you'd like to give to youngsters in terms of if they want to look at employment with the kind of companies that you have worked with.
So मैम बेसिकली आई वुड से अगर मतलब ये स्टूडेंट पे भी डिपेंड करता है कि उनका इंटरेस्ट क्या है और उनका मतलब आगे उनको क्या एक्सप्लोर करना है. बट इफ यू वांट टू वर्क इन रिटेल, सो you should very soundable in terms of retail things as well as the commercial, the commercial aspect also. Like जब तक आपको कमर्शियल वैल्यू नहीं पता है कि कमर्शियल डिजाइन क्या होता है और मास डिजाइन क्या होता है, लाइक इफ यू आर डिजाइनिंग समथिंग एंड इट इज एक्सेप्टेड बाय मास, देन यू कैन परफॉर्म इन रिटेल बिकॉज दे डोंट लाइक अगर मेरे को रिटेल में काम करना है तो मुझे ये नहीं लगता कि मुझे क्या पसंद है. आई शुड नो कि मास को क्या पसंद है और उनके प्राइसिंग क्या होंगे, और या फिर आप आई कैन से कि hello, am I audible?
Yeah. So tell me
Huh.
one thing. I know one thing that you are saying that a student needs to constantly keep a pulse of the consumer, right? And market intelligence is very important. So while I understand these are two things, tell me about certain personal traits that one, or soft skills or hard skills that one really needs to develop to work in these large format companies.
One, he should sound in CAD. That is most important part in if he wants to work in retail.
Okay, you mean to say computer-aided designing?
Yeah. Because Illustrator is a important part. Illustrator, Photoshop, and InDesign. You can't do anything without them in retail.
Okay.
Second, what we are lacking is Excel program. Excel is a most important part. Like if I also feel कि मुझे भी सीखना चाहिए था ज़्यादा Excel. So Excel is most important. Like formulas,
So
like that is a basic.
You mean to say for the project and
For the
getting
costing thing, like how we put the GST, because designer is not only the person who put efforts in product only. अभी का टाइम ऐसा हो गया है कि you should know like what is GST, how you can apply it, or what is the cost if you are importing. Like if I import something from Realcom Turkey and Realcom somewhere in Italy, so I should know कि वहाँ का करेंसी क्या है, यहाँ का कन्वर्जन क्या है, करेंसी टाइप क्या होगा, उसका कन्वर्जन क्या होगा, like GST क्या होगा, and like if you know Excel very well, you can do it.
Right.
Also, you should know the currency value. That is a basic part, but you should know the marketing part also.
So what you're saying
Not
is business skills are very important along with
Very
design.
important.
Along with
Very
design.
important.
So at times designers think that नहीं हमें नहीं करना business. We don't want to understand that. We are creative people. So you think that stigma is something
That won't
young
help.
people
That
have to
won't
give
help.
up,
Yeah.
right?
That
And they
won't help in
equally
retail.
need to learn the business skills when it comes to IPR or costing or currency or international business or fabric sourcing, merchandising. These are aspects
Definitely.
that are integral to a designer as well. Very good. Very
Definitely. Because क्या है मैम, if you know कि आप अगर प्रोडक्ट में रह जाएंगे तो like you will slog in the retail or somewhere in like top management. If you know the costing part, if you know the retail part, if you know the consumer part, and if you know everything, you should be knowing all these things together. तब जाकर के you can make a product. Otherwise ना you will find some fabric, you will get it stitched. You are not a labor, you are not here to slog. Like if you want to be a successful designer, you know the market, you know the technology, you know the cats, so you can present you very well in terms of your business partners, your vendors, your seniors, and like everywhere possible.
So Akshay,
Like
tell
I
me
have a meeting in
what growth are you
like
looking at for yourself in terms of in the coming years?
in coming years, like what I have planned in 2012, I want to
No, no,
be
I'm
in
saying
G.
what is the growth that you're looking for yourself within your company or whatever is your growth plans? I'm keen to hear about it.
Okay, so like, are you asking me for my vision or something?
Yeah, could be that. Yes, that's the one. And there is somebody who's asking a question through your experience working in Jack and Jones.
Okay, so for the vision thing, like what I have planned within Arch in 2012, that I want to be in G Star Raw in Amsterdam office as a
Wow.
denim designer by 2022, and I got an offer also. I got an offer also in Kandiani Denim Italy last 2 weeks back, but I want to be in retail only, and G Star is in loss nowadays, but they got a help from their own ministry, and they are working quite good now. So that is my vision, but I am thankful to God and you also as my mentor. Like I am here uh, in a Denmark based brand. That is a big challenge for me, because Jack and Jones also is not a like penny, or like not a like something which is very small. So get into the Jack and Jones it was very hard for me. And if you want to be in retail or in some good company, so you should know the good contact. You have to be very sincere, as I told you, in skill wise also, and yeah, market value. That is very important.
Very good, Akshay. I think your inputs are so valuable, and I'm sure that people who've heard you today, it's going to be very insightful for them, because to understand the entire value chain is very important. And then can you
Yes, yes,
only think about, where you're going to be placed within the industry, at what level, and then you develop habits, behavior, and patterns according to those and the skills required for that position, right?
yes,
So
ma'am.
I'm
Yes,
very
ma'am.
glad
Yes,
that
ma'am.
you've been so consistent with your efforts within the denim industry itself, moving from one
Thank you,
company
ma'am.
or to the other. But then your consistency with denim as a product has, I'm sure it has made you an expert, and that's how you're getting offers coming from global industries. So congratulations, and I wish you
Thank you,
all the
ma'am.
very
Thank you so
best,
much, ma'am.
and God bless you, and keep connecting with us. I'm sure that we're going to have a more close interaction of yours with our students who are willing to get into the retail large format companies. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
So
Thank you so much for
thank you, Akshay,
providing
for
me
joining
this
us.
platform and opportunity. Thank you so much.
So here we had Akshay share his experience, and yes, it's not easy. It's important to know the different roles within the industry. A young graduate has to be very, very thoughtful about where he or she is going to be at a different stage and what they're looking at. So it's very important to develop the kind of skills, the habits, the behavior patterns that are required for a certain position to be into. And so this gets me in thinking about when I was a young graduate, and what was I thinking and how it shaped up. So I think one thing is very clear, that you need to have a strong purpose in life. If the purpose is strong, then everything is very small, and it keeps driving you and it keeps inspiring you. And I think that drive is very important. And if you're constantly driven and passionate about what you're doing, all positions are there for you. So just keep enjoying the conversations while we have Akshay, who is going to be joining us. Yes. So Akshay, should I take you from Kiva Studio?
How are you, ma'am?
The
It's so
pretty
nice to see
charming girl,
you.
huh?
It's so good to see you.
And so am I thrilled to see you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
let's have an amazing chat here, because you are a practicing designer now
right,
based in
ma'am.
Gurgaon. And I
Yes,
gave
ma'am.
your number to one of these, some
Yes, ma'am.
lady who's based in Delhi, and she
Yes,
was looking for an interior designer, so I recommended your name.
yes,
Did you
ma'am.
get a call from her?
Yes, yes. He called me,
Okay.
ma'am, for his living room design, and
Huh.
we are already in conversation with pictures and everything on WhatsApp. So yes, maybe we'll be starting it very soon, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Yes.
I think it's really nice that, the kind of work that you're doing is something that fits people's needs. And you're already in conversation. So I'm sure that once the project is ongoing and it's done, you're going to share some more
Sure, sure.
stories with. Yeah.
We are
So
at the
tell me,
stage of
Akshay, how is it in
finding
Delhi?
out his design sensibilities and everything. And once I'm done with the inputs, then I'll start my job at site.
Okay, so Akshay, tell me now. The festive season is round the corner. I know, people want their homes refurbished and things which yeah, I think must be on the minds of people. I don't know how the work scenario is right now. While the lockdown had put a lot of things on to halt, just tell me what's going on, because I was talking to a couple of other alumni, and they're saying that there's so much of work. The carpenters are busy. There's no, everybody's so tied up with so many projects going on. So I think there's a lot of excitement already in the air where
There
people
was
are
this
working.
time in COVID, ma'am, when there was no work at site because the laborers were not there. But now it's already a long time. It has been, people have been working at site, laborers are there. We're doing site meetings, client meetings at site. So everything is fine and normal now. We are wearing masks. That is the new norm. We are doing video calls. We are doing 3Ds and sending, and we are doing animations of the rooms and sending them. So there is no need of meeting the client, but actually we're doing it all virtually on phones and video calls. And obviously, to make the labor understand the work and to get up the work, we have to go at site at times, but obviously we have limited the site visits nowadays a little bit.
Right. So tell me, how is the work in your company? How did you formulate your company? Wasn't it challenging for you to make a setup in Delhi, like a city like Delhi, where you actually moved from a B town
Yes,
and your feet set into Delhi? What kind of challenges did you face? And just share your story.
yes, ma'am. So I passed out in the year 2015, and since I passed out, I was this crazy girl who always wanted to do a thing of her own. I never wanted to work under anybody. So while I was working with a couple of designers, I started off my own. Like I worked day and night. In the morning, I used to go to the offices wherever I was working. And at night, I used to do my own projects. The little projects I got, I used to work very seriously on them. And I think in our industry, word of mouth is very important. A chota project can get you some really nice big project in future. So whatever you're getting, just grab the opportunity and work for it. So this is what I have done. Everything I have got, every clientele which is there now, is just because of the some purana, some small project which I have done in my initial days. Uh, so yes, now I'm doing really good projects. We're also doing hotels in Delhi and Allahabad and many other cities, and we're doing offices, we're doing restaurants, we're doing every kind of project now. So it was a nice journey. It was a very tedious and hardworking journey, but it was worth it. So now I have uh, some people working under me, also a couple of people who are there for me, who would go at sites and do the drawings and everything. But initially I was doing everything on my own. So I think a person should be an all-rounder to start off on her or is his own. He should know 3Ds, he should know how to make 3Ds, he should know how to make the 2D drawings, he should know how to talk to a labor and the client and everything. Then only you will be able to do a project. अगर आपने client को convince कर लिया and the labor is not able to make your design, if you're not able to do it practically at site, you are a failure. So I think an all-rounder can only perform everything and then become an entrepreneur, if you can say that.
Very nice. So tell me, what tips would you like to give to our young, graduates, who are a little maybe not very, can't see the light, that there is hope for them because of the COVID. All their dreams have fallen apart. So what is the message that you want to give them, in terms of truly letting them know what is the...
Ma'am, what you said just 5 minutes back, there should be a passion which drives you to do the work. You should always be active and alive and always ready to do even the tiniest of the projects and work you're getting. So I think it's only the passion, the craziness, which drives you day and night, which doesn't let you sleep. You cannot sleep because you don't have work. You're going in the market and searching for work. That is the only thing which can help you. Discouragement hoti hai kai bari, but again within a day or two you should motivate yourself. You should be self-motivated, and I think that only helps in the end. Because nobody can help you as you can. Like yourself, help yourself. So it's from within. For me, it was from within from the very beginning. So
okay, tell me about some new innovation that you've done, which you feel is very special, that you feel in the industry, your peers may not have done, and you've tried it out. Tell me something about that.
One thing I have learned recently is that in my initial days, I had my own ideologies and own concepts about designs, but recently I have tried to learn what the client wants out of me. And maybe I'm a rustic person, the person in front of me is not. So maybe we have to go for a glossy or a modern finish just because the client wants the house to be like that. So I think this is one thing, you have to really understand what the client wants, because he wants to live in the space. He will be ultimately using the space. So this is one thing I have learned, and this is really helpful. Initially, what happens when you get out of the college, you just want to explore your ideas. You just want to do what you have always wanted to do. But that is not the scenario once you are in the market. You really have to understand the desires of the client and his sensibilities about design. So yes, so now I'm trying out, being in Delhi, there is a lot of, market to explore, and there are new material which is there in the market every day. So I have to keep a tap on it, that what is there, and every new thing which is coming in the market, and then I have to use it, because that only keeps my company alive and fresh.
So if have I understood you correctly, that understanding of materials is very, very important.
Very important.
Being passionate about giving to your client is the passion that you're saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So
yes.
While you're passionate, but you need to keep your passion alive, even if your idea is not the best idea, and others' ideas are what you're going to work upon, right? As a designer.
Yes.
That's interesting. Yes. That's a beautiful perspective. Yes. And I think a lot of young people, perhaps, when they join industry, feel very disillusioned that they don't want to do this, or this is not the kind of work they want to do. And I feel that, yes, you're right about it. Yes, that's true. That's true. And anyway, so I think we've had a good chat, and I really wish you well. And
thank you so much, ma'am.
We'll have a more closer chat with a masterclass for our interior design students, where you can share more of these details, and
I'll
maybe
be sharing my work with the college, whatever we are doing, like we have completed recently. So yes, maybe that may showcase that whatever we are doing in the industry now, the new designs and everything we are coming up with. So yes, I'll share everything with Megha ma'am or anybody.
So where do you feel, I mean, in case whatever you learned on campus and what you're doing in practice, right? What is that you want, how fruitful it has been for you in terms of having you set your feet in the industry and setting up your own company?
Ma'am, sorry, I did not exactly get your...
Like, because you've set up your own company, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Practice is there.
Yes, ma'am.
So what are the skills that you learned while you were a student that helped you set up your own company?
When I was a student, ma'am, I was always keen on exploring myself, the ideas I had within me, and practically or technically, and that is what has helped me. To only dream is not important. to make that dream practical is important. That will set up your firm. So that was always there from the beginning. The motivation all of you have given me, ma'am. Because we always did practical stuff. We made, if we are designing the chair, maybe we'll do the practical part of the chair also. If we're designing anything, it's not only a sketch but a practical model of it.
So you, have I understood you correctly? You're saying that you got hands-on experience to work,
yes,
to do practice-oriented learning while you were on campus. Okay.
We were doing everything from our own hands, like the carpenter work also I did in the college. So that is how I learned that कि actually me site पे काम कैसे होता है. It's not only the drawings which will help me to do make things practical.
Very valid, Akshay. Very valid. And I think for students who don't use the labs and feel
yes,
just making on the computer is enough.
Use the labs. Feel free, and the extra time you have, just go and explore the lab and your ideas in the lab. I think that is very important. Until unless you cannot explain the carpenter how the joints can be done. So
absolutely. Thank you, Akshaya, for being with us. And I think I am inspired looking at you. You bubbling with energy.
Ma'am, you
so full of
inspire
life.
me, and I'm always there. Whenever you ask, I'm there for the video call or anything, because I'm obliged with the kind of inputs I've always got from you and the college, and it means a lot.
And my ask is purely for the next generation, And I feel sharing is a very strong tool. And peer learning, there's no other, no other better way of learning than actually sharing. So thank you for being with us and sharing your merits and sharing what you've learned. And yes, we're going to see you become much bigger in the years to come.
Thank you so much.
I'm glad that, we stay connected always. Yeah.
Sure.
So have a nice evening. Yeah. Have a nice weekend.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So yes, you can send your questions to us at our email ID, and do log into our YouTube account. See the movies there, what our students, our alumni, our chats, the events that we've done. Please go on to the Facebook Live that we had yesterday and day before yesterday. On the open days, 100 students presented their work. You can see how young people are actually working from home. And it's difficult for a design student not to get that hands-on group experience and yet be able to do something. And if you want to see them live, they are in that candid, open environment, sharing their work with you. And you want to see the fashion students of all levels, whether they're on the 4th year, the 3rd year, the 2nd year, or at the foundation level. It's fashion, jewelry, interiors, graphic and product design. All the students, you can see one student representative from each batch. So enjoy the videos on Facebook in your own time and space. So that's what the digital world has made it possible for us. And if you look at the presentations, even if you're not, you are from interior design, it would be a good refresher for you. And if you are even a learner and you're seeking to learn something, it's almost open for free learning, because we are in a knowledge economy where everything is open and free. What is important is, how do we evolve with this learning? And how do we become human beings who will inspire each other? And how do we build a community of people, of like-minded people who are there to enable action, share their merits, and make sure that others grow with you. We are all in the circular economy, wanting to really understand the word sustainability in its true essence. And have a nice evening and a weekend. Until then, goodbye. And I'm going to see you again next week, Friday, Campus to Company initiative, whether it's our students or our alumni or people from the industry. We're going to catch up with them to talk about what it takes to be in the right company, which means the right company means in the company of the right people, people who are like-minded, people who are enablers, people who will support you. Or how would you get into a company which is a large format company, or it's a startup company, or it's going to be your own company. So there's a whole big world of opportunities for all of us. Let's be together. support each other, share our merits, and keep growing.